Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Coinbase Pro Successor Advanced Trade, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Coinbase Pro Successor Advanced Trade, start by visiting the Advanced Trade website. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. If you already have a Coinbase account, enter your registered email address and password. If you do not have an account, click on the Get Started button to create a new one. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and password. After completing the registration form, check your email for a verification link from Coinbase. Click the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, return to the Advanced Trade website and sign in using your credentials. Next, enable two-factor authentication for added security. You can do this by selecting the Security tab in your account settings. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication, such as SMS or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to set up your chosen method. After setting up two-factor authentication, you will need to log in again. Once logged in, navigate to the API section in your account settings. Here, you can create a new API key for programmatic access. Click the New API Key button. Specify your permissions and set the passphrase for your API key. Make sure to store the key and passphrase securely, as they will not be displayed again. Finalize the process by clicking Create API Key. Your new API key will now be ready for use with Advanced Trade. You are now authenticated and ready to begin trading on Coinbase Pro Successor Advanced Trade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.